Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create a coaching website or school in CoachZippy. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch this CoachZippy introduction video. So I'm logged into my CoachZippy account. Click on My Schools, and it'll bring you to this page. Click on Create New School, and you'll see this dialog box pop up. Enter your school name here. Choose a subdomain. So in my case, it will be howtotutorials.coachzippy.com. You'll be able to change this later if you want to. And then in these boxes, enter your phone number, email address, your established, and contact name. And then click Next Step. In Step 2, you can upload a school logo, favicon, and banner. So I'll click on the Upload button. I'll choose my school logo and click Open. I'll repeat the same process for the favicon. And finally, I'll click on the Upload button for the banner. I'll choose my image and click Open. You'll be able to crop the image by using these handles and dragging them like so, and then moving the crop box to get the right placement. And finally, click the Crop button. So we've uploaded the 3 images. In the box down below, you can enter the school description. Notice that I've used HTML break tags. And finally, click Create New School. So our school has been created, but it's not published yet because there are still other things that we need to do. So let's head over to the Manage section. You'll notice that there are quite a few subsections here. We are currently in the Theme section. Here are the images we just uploaded. And you can come back here anytime to edit them. You'll also notice this slider if you want to increase or decrease the opacity. I'll leave it as default for now. Down below you can choose a font and theme colors. I'm going to leave them as default. Like I said earlier, you can always come back here to edit this. Let's go to the domain section. As you can see, this is the subdomain we chose. And you can click this ellipsis button if you want to edit the subdomain. Let's move to the navigation section. Here you can decide the homepage settings. For logged out and logged in users, we'll leave this as default for now. Down below, you can add custom links to the navigation bar by using this Add Link button and then adding the details in this dialog box. Won't add anything now. Similarly, you can do the same for the footer section. Let's go to the social preview section. Here you can add metadata for SEO purposes, like the meta title, description, and image, and make sure to save the changes. Under Instructors, you can add instructors who will be teaching the courses in the school. So I've gone ahead and uploaded an image and entered the necessary details. And finally, click the Add Instructor button, and it's added down below. In the comment section is where you can moderate comments and check the latest activity in your school. Under Custom Text, you can change any of the wordings that appear in any of these sections of your school, and there are a lot of options, as you can see. Under Code Snippets, you can enter CSS and custom code if you want to. And finally, under Custom HTML, you can customize your school using HTML code. I will cover this in a separate tutorial. Let's go back to the school dashboard. And so far we've covered the Manage section. We will skip the Courses section because I will be creating a separate tutorial on how to create a course in CoachZippy. So let's go to the Sales section. This is where it will display all the transactions in a particular school. Let's go back to the school dashboard. Under the Funnel section, you'll be able to customize your school pages as well as build a basic funnel. I'll be creating a separate tutorial on this. Under Users, it will list down all the students that are enrolled in courses in the school. Under Community is where you'll find the Member Community Hub, where you and your members can communicate in an open forum. Again, I'll be creating a separate video covering the Community Hub. And finally, under Settings, in the General subsection, you can edit information we entered earlier. here I'll enter a tagline. And in these two boxes, we can enter reply to email and reply from name. Down below, you can enter some tags and save the information. Down below, you can enter your school address if you want to. And still further down, you can enable or disable settings regarding course content. I will use these settings and click Save. In this section below, you can also enable your school blog. I will be creating a separate tutorial on this. And finally, down below, you can publish the school, as well as delete it if you need to. Under Notifications, you can enable or disable different email notification settings when students join, as well as email notifications on comments. And remember to save your settings. Under Email Customization, you can customize various automated emails that are sent to students. So for example, if I drop down this one, you can see the content of the email, and you can click this button to enable edit mode, and then change the content in this editor. Under Payments, you can choose PayPal and Stripe. You will need to set up the API integrations first. You can check my tutorials on how to do so. I'm going to choose PayPal. So I'll use this drop down and choose my PayPal account and click Save. If I decide to set up Stripe, I can come back here and choose it later. Under Integrations, you can choose an autoresponder. Again, you need to set up API integrations first. I'll choose MailChimp and then choose my list and click Connect. And down below, you also get an embed code if you want to embed this login form on your website. Let's go back to the school dashboard. So we've pretty much covered everything in terms of setting up a school. You can click this preview button to take a peek at your school homepage. We have obviously not published the school yet because we need to now create a course. And that's what I'm going to show you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.